Canary Wharf, East London. Canary Wharf is one of the beautiful area in East London, and it's well known as London Financial District because most of the big companies' offices are in here, like JP Morgan, KPMG, Citigroup, Barclays Bank, etc. If you are a student, then I can suggest you to visit Canary Wharf so that you can get a kind of like motivation. Once you finish your degree, you can work for those companies, or you can spend your quality time here as well, because this area is beautiful and a very safe area in London as well. In terms of transportation, you can take Jubilee line or DLR train to come into Canary Wharf, or you can coming by bus as well. Most visited places in Canary Wharf is Billingsgate Market, Crossrail Rooftop Garden, Museum of Dockland, and most importantly, you don't need to pay a single penny to visit there. It's completely free. There is two big shopping mall in Canary Wharf as well. One is outside of the station and another one is inside of the station. If you want, you can do your shopping here as well. There is a beautiful lake around the Canary Wharf. You can spend your wonderful summer evening here as well. This area is full of natural and artificial beauty. Enjoy the view of Canary Wharf. Thank you so much for watching this blog. Please do like and subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and share this video on social media. If you have any question, please leave your question in the comment box below. I'll get back to you for sure. You can ask me the question on social media like Facebook or Instagram. I'm gonna put my Facebook and Instagram link in the description below. You can find me very easily. Thank you so much. Thank you all.